Congratulations, you will now continue to get regular rewards with your ADA. Hi, I'm Gabish, and in this video we discuss Cardano with their token ADA, and more specifically earning more ADA coins passively, just by holding on to them with its proof of stake. In the crypto world, this action is called staking. This way you earn interest on your crypto investment. What is staking again? It's the action of locking your crypto on a smart contract in exchange for a reward. Let me start by clarifying a misconception. If you ever decide to put your crypto in a staking pool, you can still take it out whenever you want. My biggest regret is to not stake my crypto sooner because I thought I needed to keep my crypto available on my crypto exchange to sell immediately if prices would go parabolically. I wish someone would have told me since the beginning that once you stake, you're not necessarily stuck for a specific time period, depending where you stake it. At certain places, your crypto will get locked for a specific time, but not in this case with ADA. That being said, if you're not a day trader, it would be ridiculous not to stake your crypto. Cardano is currently in the top 10 crypto coins. Just like many other coins, prices go up and down, and instead of buying and selling, there are people that simply stake their ADA and forget about it. So even when the price goes down, you're still earning interest. Money continues to come in even during a bear market. The yearly return is an average of 5.5%, but this can be a bit different depending on which pool you're in. Alright, I hope the basics are clear. Now let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial to stake your own ADA. Alright, step 1. If you want to stake ADA, of course you need to have ADA in your wallet. There is a minimum requirement of 10 ADA to stake, which today is less than $10. To get your ADA, you need to buy it on a crypto exchange platform. I personally use Bybit. You can find in the description multiple crypto exchanges where you can sign in and buy some Cardano ADA. I also made easy step-by-step tutorials on how to buy and transfer crypto on exchanges if you're a beginner, so check it out if you need some additional help setting up your account. Great, now that you have some ADA inside your wallet, we go to step 2. Go to cardano.org, go to individuals and Daedalus wallet. From here, go to download and select download Daedalus for your preferred operating system. Mine is Windows, so I click here. Once the program has finished downloading and you open it for the first time, it will take a few hours for Daedalus mainnet to be ready. You don't need to do anything in particular, so just let it run in the background, and once it's done, you can create your own wallet by clicking here on top on the wallet icon and hit create a new wallet. While setting this up, you will get a private key that you have to write down and secure it somewhere safe. Never show it to anyone. This private key is needed if one day you have problems accessing your private wallet. Finally, step 3. On top, you can go to receive and copy the first receiving address. Click on it and hit copy. Go to your crypto exchange where you have your ADA, in my case it's on Bybit. Go to the withdraw tab and paste the address you just copied over here. Select the amount of ADA you wish to stake and hit confirm. On the Daedalus program, go to the second button, and here on top you click on Stake Pools. You see all the available stake pools over here. We will click on this one as an example. We see that it's oversaturated. We can always check more information about each staking pool on adapools.org. I personally stake mine in the ITC, ITC2 or ITC3 pool, which are all staking pools created by Benjamin Cowen, an amazing content creator about cryptocurrencies here on YouTube. Benjamin doesn't even know I exist, but I'm a huge fan, so I recommend everyone to join his staking pool. So click one of those, hit delegate to this pool, a window pops up, continue, select your wallet, continue again. Now ignore this message because it only brings confusion. Basically they ask if you want to delegate your ADA to another pool you currently selected, and that's not the case. So just hit continue. Finally, confirm the delegation with your password. The first time you stake, you will need to be patient before you see your first rewards coming in because it takes 15 to 20 days. But afterwards, the interest will come in around every 5 days. And trust me, it's a great feeling to see your crypto portfolio grow passively without spending extra money. From here, you can unstake your crypto whenever you want and sell it immediately on the spot. To unstake your ADA, simply copy your deposit wallet address on the crypto exchange you wish to send your ADA back to. On Daedalus, go to your wallet, that's the first button on the left, go to send, paste your address you just copied, write down how much ADA you wish to unstake, There is a very small fee, but it's very cheap. Now hit send. In a few minutes, your ADA will be visible on your crypto exchange. Now, if you don't want to send your crypto to Daedalus and install the program, then you can also stake crypto in Bybit itself. You can definitely have a look if you're interested. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now, what are the risks of staking ADA? Basically, your ADA never leaves your wallet, so you don't risk anything unless you forget your password. That's actually the only risk there is. You're also not lending your ADA to someone else, so you don't need to worry that it might disappear. That's why everyone who owns ADA should definitely stake their coins. If you invest an important amount into crypto and NFTs and you don't want to lose your digital assets, you definitely need to secure everything with a hardware wallet. If you don't know how this works, check out this video right here where I guide you step by step on how to protect your crypto and NFTs. Alright, see you in this video guys. Bye.